We're part of the university and we do undertake teaching, but as well as that we work on commercial projects, we work on research, and we work on trying to explain technology and give access to technology to the general jewellery industry.
The university has decided to create what it's describing as a technology hub, and within this hub there will be a whole plethora of digital technologies. There will be our full range of 3D printing machines. We continue our role of being industry facing. They can supply files, we will do test builds for them, and they can put those builds through their manufacturing process. It gives them a chance to evaluate and assess at their own speed and with their own true products.
Well, the team have been working on elements of the Staffordshire Hoard, a cache of dark age jewellery, sword pommels, and basically a lot of mystery objects that we still don't know what they were intended for. One of the big things with a lot of museums these days is that while they've got the Priceless exhibit in a case, which obviously can't be touched, for school children to actually be able to have handling pieces that they can pass around without any danger of damage to the original. One of the things we've noticed on this and other similar projects is that when you actually start to reconstruct and to replicate the pieces, you start to have to look at them in a way that you possibly would not have looked at them before. So you notice little things like the way it's welded, the way stones are set, this kind of thing. Members of the team, we've had our heads together for weeks trying to figure out how we can reproduce some of these things with all the technology that we've got, and have frankly been struggling at times. And you think that this was done, hundreds of years ago with virtually no technology that we would recognise as such, and they were able to do it. It's amazing. I wonder how long their eyes worked for before they gave up. Some of this stuff is so small, so intricate.
I don't operate the Solidscape machine. I have a team of guys who do it for me, and conversations with them have been most complimentary. They like the touchpad front end now. The fact that they can actually load everything through a memory stick for us is a great step forward from the old machine we had. The output and quality is consistent. The machine does exactly as it says on the box. It does exactly as we expected. It does a little bit more than we'd hoped for. In that the build quality is fine, the repeatability is excellent, and it's pretty much a press, go and leave, which is great for us, because just like in industrial applications with this machine, our favourite process is to switch it on at night, leave it to run overnight, and then take the stuff off next morning and do all the final finishing. And so far it's never failed us.